Hello, and welcome to today's Walmart winter try-on haul. Excitement level is like way up here. We have some gorgeous like winter staple pieces, some pants that I cannot get over, like amazing quality sweaters, and we have some fun holiday appearances in there as well. They're gonna be great to take you into the holiday season. So like always, all the complete outfits that I share, accessories, shoes, you name it, will be linked down below in the description box so you can recreate these looks super easy. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I have some really good gift guides, lots of Walmart videos coming that I can't wait. Just, you're gonna wanna hit the subscribe button. And with that being said, let's jump into the first piece. I cannot get over this dress. I am obsessed and I truly cannot believe this is Walmart. Walmart fashion is just, guys, it is truly incredible. So it comes in this black and white style, also available in fuchsia pink, which is a very popular, that's like the trend for this fall. Despite the bright color, that is the trend. But this features a turtleneck. It's a maxi length style dress. It kind of is more of a fit and then flare, which I think is so beautiful. It's one of those dresses that's really flattering. I love the material. It's not itchy. It's a nice thin fabric that just feels really nice. You easily could layer this with like a blazer and wear this for work. This would be great for holiday parties. I just paired it with some little black booties and I am obsessed. It's available in sizes extra small through 2XL. I got my true to size small and it fits beautifully. It does have a zip up the back. I really like the turtleneck that this has. It's not like too much, but it's a nice thin fabric that just kind of like hugs your neck, which I love. As far as jewelry, I'm wearing some pearl hoops. I have my hair up and then this gold chain necklace, which I can have all linked down in the description box for you guys. The details on this dress, I just love how it gracefully like flares down at the bottom. It's a gorgeous when you walk. Trust me, this is under $35 and just a holiday must-have. And then you easily can wear this into 2023 since it's not like holiday colors. You can wear this all winter season long. How just classy and high-end does this look? I am obsessed with this outfit. So it features this ribbed body neck with a square sweetheart neckline, which I think is really gorgeous. The material on this is so incredibly soft and it's that nice high quality ribbed material. Something that's fun about this top is it's not just like your typical sweater, bodysuit, whatever. It has this really cute little slit on the arm, which I think is such a fun little detail. Comes in 2 other color options and is available in sizes extra small through 2XL. And I feel like this is just like a really good staple piece to have in your fall and winter wardrobe to style with looks. And it looks stunning with these faux pants. I mean, Walmart has completely outdone themselves with these 2 pieces. As far as sizing, I am wearing my true to size small in the bodysuit and I am just under 5'9". But often with bodysuits, I don't snap them down at the bottom. I usually just kind of tuck them in. I feel like they're more comfortable that way. It's easier to go to the bathroom, etc. But it has 2 buttons down at the bottom that you can snap if you like to wear bodysuits snapped. But these pants are the star of the outfit. I mean, they are just gorgeous. I did go ahead and go with my true to size 2 in these and they fit perfect. I would suggest if you're in between sizes, go with your larger size. I just feel like with the faux leather pant, you don't want them to feel like super tight. It just, this having more of a straight, not loose, but not quite super fitted look is how these really shine. I did go with the black, but it comes in this really gorgeous, like deep kind of olive color as well. They have a nice button fly with a button closure up here, functional pockets. They're really nice and flattering. Like the quality on them, guys, is so good. Like these are such a good look for less for the Abercrombie ones that are much more expensive. These are a fraction of the price. And I just completed the look with these little black booties and it just looks super chic. This is going to be a really great work option. You could just throw like a white blazer on top and that would look absolutely stunning. You are seeing chocolate brown, super trendy winter 22 and 23. This is like the perfect on-trend outfit that is incredibly affordable. And guys, these pants are amazing. I literally can't get over it, but we'll go ahead and start off with this top. This is incredibly soft. It's a nice rib material, great blouse that you can wear casually with jeans, dress it up a little bit with some leather pants like I'm wearing. I just have the arms cuffed a little bit. It does have functional buttons going down the front and a little chest pocket here. Now, as far as sizing, this is from the No Boundaries line, which is technically junior sizing. So I'm typically a size small at Walmart. I sized up to a medium and I love the fit of it. It has good length to it, but not too long. You know, I feel like sometimes these button downs can be too long that they get really bunchy here in your pants, and that is not the case at all with these. And then let's chat about these faux leather pants. These are also from the brand No Boundaries. I'm typically a size 0 or 3 at Walmart, and I got size 5. So I didn't want them to be too fitted. I feel like with leather pants, you want them to be a little bit loose. This is a straight leg style that's very trendy. It does not have functional buttons here, but in the back, it does have functional pockets, and they're super, super flattering. They also come in a black color. Just chocolate brown is super in this season, and I just loved this whole combo together. And I just paired it with my favorite little Western booties that are under $25 from Walmart. They run true to size. They're so comfortable. They have memory foam padding in them. Trust me when I tell you, you need these boots. I literally style them almost every single time I feel like I put on an outfit these days. And then this cute little crossbody bag just completes any look. Comes in lots of color options. I just opted for the white. I feel like it brightens up a lot of winter outfits. Nice structured bag. I love just I love the gold like accents of it. That's why I feel like it matches so well with this outfit. And then as far as jewelry, I have a little bracelet from the Sis Kiss, and then this stackable bracelet that I love because I don't have to wear a bunch of bracelets. I can literally just snap on this stack and it matches with everything. How incredibly fun is this sequin dress? Love the fit and flare style on this. This is like that dress you put on and you're like, I am ready to go. It's so, so fun. But the quality on it, I think sometimes sequin dresses can feel kind of cheap. This one, I don't get that vibe at all with. It's not itchy on me. Like I said, it has this gorgeous kind of fit and flare. It is lined, so you don't have that kind of itchy sequin material against you, which is great. I am all about this color. Like, this is going to be the perfect little holiday dress for all of your holiday things this year. I just paired it with some like nude heels. I feel like that kind of like toned it down a little bit, but you definitely could throw on some sparkly heels with this and go all out. I am wearing my true to size small. It is available in sizes extra small through 2XL, and I would say that it runs true to size. I love this, guys. This is so, so fun. Let me know in the comment section, are you kind of on the hunt for holiday dresses, for work, for friends? Let me know. This one's going to be a really great affordable option, and I think these little pearl hoop earrings go beautifully with this dress. Stop. How fun is this dress? So this is kind of like the holiday dress that you can wear that is really fun, but not like too over the top. I think some of my lights are making it look like really sparkly and shiny. Hold on, I'm going to take them off. So this is what it looks like without the harsh lights on it. It is like a slight sequin, but it's not like in your face. Like, it's coming across on camera like way more over the top. I think it's more of like a nice subtle sequin dress. Perfect for all of holiday parties coming up. Also, I think great for the office. So it is lined, so it's slightly sheer here, but then it has like a black underlining, which is gorgeous. It has a cuffed wrist, a nice V-neck. It's lined with black too around the neckline, which I think is really fun. This would look gorgeous if you put your hair up as well. I did go with my true to size small, and it is available in sizes extra small through 2XL. I paired it with some little booties and this black little crossbody bag, which is also from Walmart. I feel like this kind of just goes along with the look really, really well with the black, and it's like a dressier bag that you also can wear casually with jeans too. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds there. This comes in another like fun holiday color option, and it has this like really nice relaxed fit. So it's not going to be like an uncomfortable dress that you have to wear evening. Very comfortable. I think this also will look gorgeous with like knee-high boots as well. All right, that's going to conclude today's video. If you love this and want to see more Walmart fashion, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone.